I think we are ready to apply the stencil to the skin. And to do that, I'm gonna use Stencil It by Bishop Rotary. I'm gonna put a little amount on the skin, rub it in, and this is very important to make sure that the whole area of the future tattoo is evenly sticky, because if it's not, you will see some blind spots in your stencil and it's gonna be tricky to work with it. I do my best to put the stencil in the most natural and relaxed position of the client's part of the body. I'm gonna try to get as close as I can to these lines and press the stencil to the skin. Very important to make sure there is no bubbles underneath, because the stencil won't be there at all. And now let's remove the stencil carefully and see what it looks like on the skin. Looks very dark, which is good.